Physical therapy, also known as physiotherapy, is a healthcare profession dedicated to helping people of all ages improve their movement and function, reduce pain, and enhance their overall quality of life. These conditions can include anything from sports injuries and post-surgical rehabilitation to neurological disorders, chronic pain, and age-related mobility issues. A physical therapist's approach is highly individualized. Physical therapists provide specialized care across multiple settings to enhance patients' quality of life. In pediatric settings, PTs focus on improving a child's motor development, strength, balance, coordination, and mobility. In geriatrics, they focus on improving balance, strength, and mobility to reduce fall risk and promote independence. Orthopedic PT addresses musculoskeletal injuries to restore function, while neurological therapy helps manage movements impairments from conditions like stroke or Parkinson's disease. Cardiopulmonary rehabilitation emphasizes endurance and breathing techniques to aid recovery from heart or lung conditions. Motor skill development is a crucial part of a child's growth. As physical therapists, we use engaging activities to help children build strength, coordination, and even confidence. Functional skills are essential for a child's independence in daily life. As therapists here at Stepping Stone, we use engaging activities to help children develop practical abilities for everyday tasks. Developing functional, social, communication, and cognitive skills is essential for a child's independence in daily life. In pediatric physical therapy settings, therapists use engaging activities to help children grow in all these areas. Functional skills involve daily activities such as dressing, eating, and mobility. Every day, we cater to different patients with different needs and different goals. Here at Stepping Stone, we address every complaint and concern specified by the caregiver so that we can achieve their goals through their treatment sessions. Plus, as therapists, it is our job to accommodate and modify plans and programs so that your child can be motivated and have fun during sessions. Health and wellness classes are crucial for children's development, promoting physical activities, motor skills, and healthy habits. These classes include stretching, warm-ups, sports, games, and obstacles to support physical well-being. Therapists play a vital role in planning, facilitating, and participating in these classes, which enhance physical fitness, boost confidence, and improve social interaction, and also support mental well-being. Club observations provide valuable insights into children's social interaction, physical abilities, and developmental progress. Pediatric club activities offer a supportive environment for growth, ensuring intervention meet unique needs. These observations foster social and emotional growth, enhancing a child's development and self-esteem. Stepping stone physical therapists ensure effective treatment planning, program tracking, and communication with caregivers and healthcare providers. They document sessions to track developmental milestones, measure therapy effectiveness, and seek research for treatment.